A lot of people keep looking to buy budget category smartwatches, right? That too with Bluetooth calling feature. And these days, smartwatch brands are getting like very competitive, guys. Today in the house, we have a very special smartwatch from Tagg. And let me tell you, this is like one of the most affordable category smartwatches I've seen with Bluetooth calling feature. So this is Tagg's all new Verve Engage affordable category smartwatch just launched in India today at a very special price of only 1799 rupees. And it's a banger at this price point, guys. It's got Bluetooth calling on board, and for the very first time it also supports something known as smart QR code saving. That means you can save your phone pay, Google Pay, or any sort of social media QR code on this thing and receive payments on the go with your smartwatch, guys. Now that is what I'm talking about. So I'm like pretty excited to unbox and show you the smartwatch in this video. And by the way, the video is sponsored by the brand, so big thank you to them. Let's get started. So here's our new smartwatch from Tagg, and as I've told you, it's one of the most affordable smartwatches that comes with Bluetooth calling feature on board. Comes in this very simple and compact box packaging. It says the future is now and features a picture of the product as well on the front. Let me just quickly tear this outer packaging and then give you a closer look at the box and talk about all of its features and highlights mentioned. So as I've told you, main feature is it comes with Bluetooth calling on board and has like a 1.69-inch big LCD display, that too with 500 nits of brightness, and along with that you've got like a phone book as well, voice assistant support, and support smart QR codes saving feature as well on board. So let's get started with the unboxing. As soon as you open it, we've got a mini accessory box at the top which includes some paperwork. Just make sure to read this if you've got time, and keeping that aside, there you go, here's our new smartwatch from Tagg that we've been waiting for. Tagg's all new Verve Engage Bluetooth calling smartwatch. Look at this, we have the black color edition and has a squarish form factor display. Pretty nice. We'll just come back to this in a moment. And lastly, in the package you get a magnetic pogo pin cable for charging, and that is it. These are all the stuff we got in the box. Now let's finally have a closer look at the watch and talk about the design and the build quality. It's got a squarish form factor display, guys, and initial impressions, watch actually looks quite beautiful, guys, at this price point. I mean, nobody would believe that it's only 1799 rupees. So it comes with a 1.69-inch big LCD display with 240 by 280 resolution. Going to the side here, you only have one multifunction button, and just below that you've got the microphone as well. And where is the speaker? Let me just have a look. So here it is, it's on the left side over here, located on the bottom left corner. And that is pretty much it. No more controls available on it. Overall build quality quite good, quite tough and durable, that is what I can say. And here's how the back of the smartwatch looks like. You've got your regular HR sensor at the center, some details about the smartwatch, and also some charging contacts just below that. So that's it, our complete overview. Now moving on and talking about the straps, quality of these bands look very good, guys. They've got this velvet sort of finish, feels silky smooth. So I can definitely say brand has given some good quality straps at this price point, and they're also replaceable. So that is it, our complete overview on design and build quality part. What I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue the video. So guys, I'm back to continue the video. I've been using this smartwatch for quite some time, and now I'll be sharing my full feedback and experience on this model. There are so many things I have to talk about, so make sure to watch this video till the end and don't skip any part, especially if you're like considering to buy this model. First of all, let me tell you about the display quality. As I've told you, Verve Engage features a 1.69-inch big TFT LCD display with a resolution of 240 by 280. And for this price point, display quality is actually pretty good. There's good amount of detail, guys. Everything is like crisp and clear. You can easily read all your messages, text, or any sort of content on it, not an issue at all. Colors are also nice. It was producing like decently good colors with good accuracy, I can say, and viewing angles are also decent. And talking about brightness is actually pretty good, guys. It's got around like 500 nits of brightness, and you can easily view the display even in like bright outdoor situations, not an issue at all. On the overall, guys, for such an affordable price tag, there's nothing you can complain with the display. And moving on, what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look at the watch, and I'll show you the home screen, built-in apps and features, and talk about that. So this is how the home screen on the smartwatch looks like, and initial impressions, as you can see, display looks pretty good. Now bezel is slightly thick on the bottom and sides, as you can see in the video, but again, hey, it's a very affordable category watch, right? You can't complain much. Anyways, on the home screen you can check out the watch faces. This particular model comes with like 5 watch faces pre-installed, but not to worry, you can download almost like 100 plus cloud-based watch faces using Tagg's compatible app on your phone. By swiping down on the home screen, you can quickly access the status panel. Here it shows you the battery level of the watch and Bluetooth connectivity status, and also some quick access shortcuts, like you can quickly adjust the brightness of the watch and a quick setting shortcut to all your saved QR codes on this watch, and your general DND settings and general settings and these sort of stuff. And by swiping up on the home screen, you can access all your messages, guys. This is your notification panel. Now again, for this you'll definitely be need to connect it to your phone via Bluetooth and have the compatible app installed on it. And by swiping left on the home screen, right, you can access a quick menu. Here you've got like voice assistant shortcut available, calculator is there, built-in games, so many features are available. Guys, I'm telling you, right, this is like a banger, fully loaded smartwatch at this price point. And by swiping left on the home screen, you can quickly access widgets present on it. And in the widgets, guys, you've got all your regular stuff like fitness activity panel is there. Moving on, you've got your health related stuff like HR monitoring, blood oxygen SpO2 measurement is there, weather panel. And good thing is you can even add your own favorite widgets and customize this whole panel by clicking this plus icon at the end of the menu. Now suppose if you want to access the complete list of apps present on it, you just need to swipe right and click on this grid panel on the bottom right, and there you go. Now you can access the complete list of all features and apps present on this smartwatch. So first of all, guys, you've got your fitness activity, which shows you your day-to-day steps, distance traveled, calories burnt, and these sort of stuff. And for the detailed analysis, you can definitely check out on the compatible Tagg sports app on your phone. Along with that, this is a main highlight feature, guys, Bluetooth phone calling. So as I've told you guys, you've got Bluetooth calling on board. It has like a microphone and a speaker as well, and you can literally dial a number and talk to that person from this smartwatch only, even without picking up your phone. I'll give you a demo of this and talk about the mic and speaker quality at a later part. Moving on, you've got your complete health related apps and functions available. 24/7 HR measurement is there, blood oxygen SpO2 measurement is there, sleep data analysis, breathing exercises, all of these are available. And coming to the sports mode and tracking, so this particular model supports almost like 120 plus different sort of sport activity tracking. And when you enable this, watch will start measuring a lot of things like how many steps you've taken, distance traveled, calories burned, and these sort of stuff. Again, keep in mind there is no geolocation data available because it's an affordable category watch, right? But you do have in-app GPS tracking available on the compatible app on your phone. From there you can get your geolocation data. Moving on, you've got all your regular smartwatch related applications available, like weather information is there, remote camera shutter, remote music player is also there, breathing exercises, and as usual, timer, stopwatch, alarms, all of these are available. And crazy additions on this smartwatch is, even though it's such an affordable watch, right, you have a couple of games also built into this. Like you've got Floppy Bird, 2048 puzzle game, and look at the list over here. Games are working well, I had no issues, touchscreen was also working fine, so you can definitely play these games on the display. So that's it, our complete overview on the built-in apps and features on the Verve Engage smartwatch. And talking about the performance was fine, everything was like pretty decent, but to be honest, not the smoothest UI I can say, guys. But theek hai, at this price point you can't complain much. Moving on, let's talk about the health and fitness related stuff. So I've been using it for the last few days, right? Pedometer on this thing was working well. It was accurately detecting all your footstep movements and getting all your fitness related data quite accurately and reasonable at this price point. And apart from that, you do have like complete list of health suit available on this. You've got your 24/7 HR monitoring available, blood oxygen SpO2 is there, breathing exercises, sleep data analysis, all of these functions are available. And to be frank, the brand has definitely worked and improved these sensors, so you're getting like better and accurate results compared to the previous gen, almost like 90-95% of the time. So now comes the fun part. Let's talk about the Bluetooth calling feature. As I've told you, the watch has like built-in microphone and speakers, so you can directly place a call and talk to anybody through the watch itself, guys, even without using your phone. So you just need to access this Bluetooth calling from the settings, and you get a couple of options over here. You can check out your recent call history, you got your favorite contacts person where you can add up to like 10 favorite contacts and directly place a call with just one tap, or there's also a dedicated dialer pad available. You can dial in any number and place a call from the smartwatch. And let me tell you, Bluetooth calling was working very well over here. Initially I was a bit skeptical because Bluetooth calling at only 1799 rupees, kya ho raha bhai? But nothing like that. Microphone quality was pretty good. Other person was able to hear me clearly and understand my words, not an issue at all. And coming to the speaker quality is also nice. You can easily understand what the other person is talking, and audio output is also like decently loud. But again, I do have to mention, if you're in like a very noisy environment or maybe in like traffic situations in outside areas, then you might have a bit difficulty understanding through the speaker.
మీరు డయల్ చేసిన నంబర్ సరైనది కాదు. దయచేసి మీరు డయల్ చేసిన నంబర్ని సరిచూసుకోండి. The number you have dialed is invalid. Please check the number you have dialed.
This is one more special highlight I do have to mention, guys. The watch supports saving QR codes on this thing. You can save almost like 5 different QR codes from your phone's gallery. For example, you can save your phone pay, GPay QR code, or maybe like WhatsApp QR code, and instantly you can just show it to anybody and receive payments directly via your smartwatch. Now that is like a pretty cool feature and was definitely working well. Okay, we're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life as well. So battery life on the smartwatch was like mediocre, guys, again because it's got like plenty of features on board, right, and can completely depend on how you use it. For example, if you're like a light user and you use a smartwatch like mostly for notifications or maybe for like light fitness and health related stuff with the brightness set to around like 70%, then you can expect around like 8 to 9 days of battery life. But if you're like a very heavy user, you use Bluetooth calling a lot and always keep the watch connected to your phone for notifications, and you do a lot of fitness activities and these sort of stuff, then you can expect the battery life to be only around like 3 to 4 days, depending again on how you use the smartwatch. Well, that's it for today. That was our video on this all new Verve Engage watch from Tagg. Excellent smartwatch, guys. Value for money is what I can say. You're getting a big 1.69-inch display, Bluetooth calling is there, IP67 rated, smart QR codes, and the list just never seems to end. As I've told you before, Tagg is having a special launch price offer, and for a limited time period only, the smartwatch will be available for 1799 rupees. And after that, it will go on sale at a regular price of around 2499 rupees. Links for that will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to know everything about this model. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, and also hit that notification bell icon on. And I'll see you all in my next one.